Hey guys, so a while ago I made a video on how you can black out your emblems, like this one and this one, using a elastic spray like Plasti Dip, or this one called elastic rubberized peelable spray paint. I left a link right below, either on this side, I think it's on this side, where you can buy this stuff online. But many of you asked me how this holds up to a jet spray. And today I'm going to do just that. I'm going to be spraying down this car with foam. I'm going to be washing it. We'll see. It's been a month. Looks pretty good. Rest of the car, not so much. Yep. So stay tuned. So it's been a month since I've coated this in black spray, and it looks like it's been holding up quite well. Rest of my car, I think, could do with a wash. So I'm here by the wash station. I'm going to give it a spray down with some foam, and we'll see if this thing holds up. And once again, if you guys are wondering why I'm washing the car with gloves on, it's because half of you guys think my hands are too hairy. And, you know, like that, look at that. These are hairy hands, all right? So to prevent you guys from being too distracted, I'm wearing gloves to wash my car, even though it's really uncomfortable. Right, and then last one, I've got jet. Well, as you can see, the black spray did hold up to the jet spray and the soap and all that scrubbing. So I think I can say this is a win right here. Right? And I can probably recommend this product. So if you want to know where I get all my stuff, there is a link at this corner of the video, at the start of this video. So like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.